guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. And in this video, I thought I would go ahead and see the aftermath of the Forest Fort. So, I haven't really uploaded the episode yet, but I filmed another episode, and basically yesterday I was just kind of everything ready for what I thought was just going to be like a little bit of a rainstorm, but this turned into a severe thunderstorm, which, yeah, it got really windy and stuff, so basically I'm going to head my way over there and see the damage that has been done. By the way, we had a massive cold front that, dropped the temperatures, down from, around all the way up like 75 degrees down to 30 degrees, so yeah, quite a big change, even though we're supposed to have another front come through that raises the temperatures all the way up to I believe 40 or 50 degrees. So yeah, this is definitely some crazy weather fronts that are currently going through right now. I honestly have no idea why, but it's just the kind of weather we get around here. Alright, so I made it to the fort here. Here's to see the damage that has been done. Entrance is fine. Some more branches, nothing. I can't move all the way though. Yeah, I guess I go ahead and clear these out here and see what other damage is going on. I do want to say though, I won't be able to be here all day because I gotta go to my next class, so yeah, I get a lot of time between classes, so yeah, I'm gonna go and clear this all out and we'll see how the Forest Fort condition is. Okay, so we got this little tree branch here. And it looks like everything down here is pretty much the same. Nothing new here. This branch moved out a bit, but not enough to block the way. These were all here. Actually, oh great, this thing snapped. Actually makes it easier. Some branches snapped over here. That might be kind of a deal. Let's see how I can make it. Got this root here that probably okay. It's not too bad though. Still keep our hopes up. Yeah. I was expecting it to be a lot worse than this though. Come down here. We'll jump here, it's all still here. Everything's normal. Oh! No way, it's all still there. I would have figured that everything would have blown away, but what? Bro, everything's still here. Check it out. Wow. I mean, keep in mind, two places are out of place. Keep in mind though, we just had a terrible thunderstorm roll through here. Crazy wind with the rain. Everything's fine. Under here, I mean the wood isn't. It's all like dry under here. Even though I'm pretty sure it rained, but carpet feels dry. Okay, well, everything's literally there. Holy crap, that's so great. Okay, so, I mean, that's good. Everything's still here. So, I guess we just continue on with the episode. So, I truly thought that this was going to be the end of the series because of laziness, but everything's still here, so I guess just might as well keep building. I gotta go and head home now because of classes, but yeah, everything's still here. So yeah, so basically I'm going to head home, and then I'll go ahead and I'll go once school finishes around 2:25 or so. I will start heading. I will start heading here and continue working on this because it's still here. So yeah, so I'll see you then. Alright guys, so I made it to the fort here. I just finished school. And basically what I plan to do is I plan to get more bark on top of here and like squeeze in over here, just top this area off of bark. Then this area is actually pretty much done for the most part. As you can see, it's pretty much covered. It does look like that the store made a little bit of a hole there. I didn't notice before. But yeah, we're gonna cover all this up. So yeah, so just as always, like last episode, I'm gonna go ahead and place my phone on that little tripod there, and yeah. Alright, so what I've basically been doing here is, first of all, I'm pretty much finishing out this part of the fort. I'm gathering the bark from these dead trees, and this one's starting to run out. This one's still got a lot. There's a lot of trees with a lot of good bark in here, so. Yeah, and basically I'm just building that side of the fort now. So I'll try to reposition the camera on the tripod. So, or not the tripod. I keep calling it a tripod, but it isn't. Saying tripod. But anyways, I'm gonna have so the camera focuses over there where I'm working. So yeah. And I apologize if you hear a lot of background noise. Someone's cutting down a tree over there, so yeah. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and continue building that. So. Alright, update guys. So basically I got not done. So basically I grabbed bark off those trees like I said. And basically I've just been doing this side of the house now. I almost sound like this part over here. And then once I finish this part, like over there, I'm going to do the closet. So yeah, I don't know how much I truly am going to get done today. But we'll see. Right now the sun's kind of starting to set. Yeah, I got here around 2:30 since it's around 4, so if I were to guess, it's probably only around 3:30 right now. So I still got quite a bit of time to work on the fort, so yeah. Alright guys, so I'm going to continue working on the forest fort now. So I thought I would go ahead and tell you what my friend Zach has been here to it. And I gave you an answer. Because he's freaking lazy, so he's easily lazy. Let me move the camera out. It keeps saying camera. I'm gonna tell the truth. I'm using my phone to film this video. I would never have DSLR, but I mean, as you can see right now, I'm kind of chilling inside the half-done roof fort here. As you can see, the roof's kind of there. It's there. The roof's there. The roof's here. There's actually a story of a kind of a chance that this actually might keep some of the water out, but yeah. And we got to get that roof on, which I don't know. It's kind of like in a bad spot. It's like in the middle, so it's really hard to see where to put it. So yeah, that was hard to do all the way up there. So yeah, right now it's currently around 3:30. So yeah, my friend just did a live stream on TikTok, so please check that out. And yeah, should I take a rest like episode 4? Not chill out here. Alright guys, so it's around 4 o'clock and I was thinking of ending this video for today. I got a lot done over here. I've just been kind of getting tired of working with awesome stuff, so basically I got pretty much most of the roofing done with this. And here I still got some stuff to cover the little gaps over there. As you can see over there. So I'm pretty much almost done with roofing this whole entire thing. I just got to add like little parts where like got open holes and stuff. So yeah, but overall I think I did a pretty good work today. So yeah, I'm going to start heading home. So yeah, I might see if I friend one of my friends at the house today, and if that's the case, I might take some footage of that. But probably not. I'm probably just gonna head straight on the ride home. So yeah, but anyways, this will pretty much conclude Rebuilding Forest for episode 6. So yeah, so as you can see, it's pretty much, the ceiling's pretty much on, and yeah, probably episode 7 and 8 will probably just be patching things up. And episode 9 will probably be, well, I don't know, but it'll probably be, get started working on my little closet there. Just to store stuff in, so. Yeah, but anyways, as always, hope you enjoyed.